Hair lotion is a medicine which can recover your lost hair and revitalize damaged hairs. It can be used by both men and women, and it is made from natural ingredients, so there will not be any side effects. If you are a bald person and you are thinking about a hair transplant surgery or PRP hair treatment or injection, you have a better choice now. Neo hair lotion is completely external usage and it will not damage your skin, so that you don't have to worry about any side effects. There are a lot of people who tried Neo hair lotion and satisfied in Thailand. Origin of this product is Thailand. It was developed by Dr. Phai Boon. He learned about herbs from his father, who was a traditional doctor. Dr. Phai Boon has made many studies about usage of herbs in modern medicine, and he has produced several cosmetic and health products from herbs. Usage of Neo hair lotion is very simple. It is packed as a spray bottle, which will be easy to carry and use. You should use every day without fail, and you must have a discipline and patience. Wash you get result in one bottle, some people get in 2 or 3 bottles. You must have patience.